Oh, this is the fun part. Liza, care to do the honors?
Me? Sure, I'm ready to do it. What do I do?
Got to focus, breathe, and relax. You got this, kiddo. Voila! Smart toast!
Am I burning? Am I toast?
Maybe a little too smart.
What's next?
Bedtime for every kid in Miko.
I'll never be big enough to stay up late.
But Liza, what if you could be? Are you processing what I'm processing?
If I could process what you process, I would truly go insane.
There! Problem solved.
How so? And where's Liza?
I'm not Liza anymore. I'm bigger than Liza. I'm Lizard Liza!
Well, time for bed now, right?
Nope, gotta get even bigger!
Come on, Red. We have to fix this.
Up here, I'm bigger than ever. I'll stay up and do whatever I want!
Red, it's time to...
Mega Migo merge and more!
I was going to suggest speaking to her rationally, but sure.
Liza, meet your mecha match!
Haha! Nice try! Smell my atomic breath!
Yes!
Oh no! I can't stop growing!
We have to get her to focus before she gets too big.
Like Dad said.
Come on, Liza. Focus. Breathe.
We're sorry for saying you weren't big enough.
Maybe I don't want to get bigger anymore. Can we save that experiment for tomorrow morning?
I think that's a great idea. Does that mean I can have her milk and cookies?
No.